Gilroy.
Yay.
So we're all geared up here, getting ready to go jump on the beach. You're looking pretty excited. It was your birthday last month, a couple weeks ago.
Yes.
Only thing is, you get shoes on. We're jumping on the beach. You should go barefoot. It's the beach.
I know.
I'm going barefoot.
I think I want to keep.
Okay. So, you got anything you want to say to your friends, family, loved ones before we go make this death-defying leap out into the wild blue yonder?
I love everyone, and I'm really excited, and I'm a little nervous right now.
You look a little nervous. Yeah, it'll be all right.
But I think it's going to be very exciting. I've been waiting for this for such a long time.
Good deal. Good deal. I'm excited that you're excited. Yep. Give me the thumbs up. Very good. Go. Out there. You ready to go skydive? Yeah! Alright, let's open the door there, darling. Anna, you rocked that, baby.
Oh my goodness.
So you had a good time?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you, Esther.
Look at the camera, give a big thumbs up.
This is fun. Why do you have to do this?
She's calling you out, Jose.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy. All right,
This
see you in
is
a minute.
crazy.
See you in a minute. Alright, we'll get you cut loose here. Nice job, Anna.
Thank you. How was it? It was great.
You made it.
Another satisfied customer. All right, you guys.
Good job, Anthony.
All right, let's get a big thumbs up. Hey, jumping on the beach here, ladies. Skydive Surfcity. This is Anna. This is Jose. He was too afraid to jump.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
All right, give a big thumbs up. See ya!